Hello everyone, salam namaste to Janta. Hope you guys are doing good. So like today I'm here to say something that I've tried recently and I wanted to come up here and share the experience with you guys. क्योंकि अपन ने बोला है जो भी अपन सीखेगा वो आप लोगों को बताया गई. So the thing that I've tried was a testnet known as zkSync's, and this time I've tried zkSync's not as a dev, not as the crypto guy that knows it all. क्योंकि यार अपन को भी सारी बातें आती नहीं है तो कहाँ से हो पाएंगे. Just as a normal human being who wants to understand what the hype is all about. So, but when I tried it, right, it literally blew me away. कैसे वही अब अपन आपको बताता है. So guys, what I did was I quickly opened the portal. I connected my wallet. I got my faucet token, so I just bridged the ETH and did a quick swap. And you know what? Everything worked literally. Yeah, like there were no MetaMask crashes, जो कि mostly time पे हो जाते हैं. I did not wait for those waiting for confirmation pop-up messages that comes out, and there were no lag like which happens in using the regular banking systems. And I believe no SBI should be uttered here, right? So the process was literally legit and very smooth. I believe literally someone has cared about the UX for once. So as you guys already know, I'm still learning about the tech side of the things, but this is what I have learned so far. Like zkSync's run on zkRollups, and unlike optimistic rollup where you have to hope for your transaction to get legit and be legit, and then wait for someone to eventually challenge it. But it's completely opposite in the case of zkRollups, because it proves your transaction instantly with math, like having cryptographic level proof. And that's what makes it very fast, cheap and secure. Like I believe it's like having a Ethereum grade security but with speed, which reminds you of using Solana. So भैया अब हम तो वही इंसान है जो ट्विटर पे आता है 10 थ्रेड देखेगा, will go on YouTube, see explainer videos and will go to blogs, read all of those blogs, but still not able to figure out what L2s are really all about. But when I tried zkSync's testnet, like something really clicked. And it's not that I instantly got the hold of all of it and got to know everything, like this is this, this is that. But now it's like, okay, like this is how a modernized blockchain is supposed to feel like. At least I know that part. And I'll just say something to everyone. Like even if you are curious building or investing, go give zkSync's a shot. It's not about zkSync's only. Like if you want to learn something, just actually go and try it out. Because when you're trying something, you are connecting with that entire process end to end, and having an hands-on experience will teach you more than any other medium. So yeah, that's it guys. मैं zkSync के पोर्टल का लिंक अपने कैप्शन में डाल दूंगा और मैं यही चाहता हूँ you guys go to the portal, mess around with it, learn it, because that's how it clicked for me and it will click for you guys as well. And do definitely share your experience with me. आप उसको जाके ट्राई करें ना, आप अपना एक्सपीरियंस वापस मुझे बताएं, भले that can be through a DM, comments पे, कहीं पे भी, because I want to hear that from your end as well. Or do definitely support me guys. Like eventually if you're seeing this video on YouTube, subscribe me. If you're seeing this on X, follow me, drop a comment, repost अगर आपको content relatable लगा हो तो, and that's how just give me your support guys, cause so that मेरे अंदर पूरी ताकत है कि और मैं इस तरीके के वीडियोस बनाता रहूं. I can make these videos and provide knowledge to you guys. चल भाई बबलू चलते हैं, भूख लग रही है अब तो. Thank you guys, peace.